Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to enable or disable send game data in Slay The Spire. Let's begin by opening the Settings menu, then go into Game Settings. Here in Miscellaneous you can toggle on or off Upload Game Data. Gameplay data and error logs are sent to the studio for game balancing purposes. Personally identifying information is not collected. Simply you can toggle this on or off. I'll leave it turned on. Then simply hit return and back, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.